am going to discuss today find net angle of deviation. Here Nana, this is the question, this is the mirror M1, this is the mirror M2. Here two mirrors are arranged. These two mirrors makes an angle theta. Here theta is the angle between two plane mirrors. This is the light ray, Nana. This is the light ray. Okay. This is the normal of this mirror. Normal of this mirror. Here this will be reflect, Nana. For example, this angle alpha. This angle also alpha, because in the mirrors angle of incidence equal to angle of reflection. This is angle of incidence. This is angle of reflection. Okay. Next, Nana, here fall an angle beta, and again it will be incident on the mirror and it will be reflect, Nana. Angle of reflection also beta. Okay. Here Nana, look here Nana, look here. Here theta is angle between two mirrors, Nana. This ray fall on the first mirror and the next fall on the second mirror. Okay. Here the question is find net angle of deviation. Okay. Here look here Nana. Actually this is the incident direction of incident ray, Nana. Okay. This is the direction of incident ray. This is the reflected ray. The angle between incident ray, that means incident ray and reflected ray. This angle is called angle of deviation, Nana. That is delta 1. According to diagram, this is the diagram, Nana. Here to here delta 1, here to here alpha, here to here alpha, here to here alpha, alpha, delta 1. This total angle becomes 180. So that's why simply call as delta 1 plus alpha 2 alpha equal to 180. According to this equation, delta 1 equal to 180 minus 2 alpha. Equation number 1. This is incident ray on this mirror, Nana. This is incident ray. This will be extend, Nana. Okay. This direction of incident ray, reflected ray to jese angle ledo antaru, angle of deviation. This is called delta 2. Once again, angle of deviation definition is the angle between direction of incident ray and reflected ray. This is the reflected ray. This is the direction of incident ray. This angle is called angle of deviation. Here also is a total angle 180. That means 2 beta plus delta 2 equal to 180 according to diagram. What is the delta 2 value? 180 minus 2 beta. According to question, find total deviation. Find total deviation. Total deviation is nothing but the delta deviation on the first mirror plus deviation on the second mirror. Here deviation on the first mirror is 180 minus 2 alpha plus deviation on the second mirror is 180 minus 2 beta. 180 plus 180 360. Okay, minus 2 into alpha plus beta. Here this is the net deviation according to diagram. But once again I take the diagram, Nana. This is mirror. This is mirror. This is the first mirror called as M1, second mirror called as M2. This is angle theta. Here light ray fall on the mirror 2. Here, for example, this is 1, this is automatically 2. Light fall on the mirror, Nana. This angle according to diagram alpha. Here angle of incidence equal to angle of reflection. Angle of incidence equal to angle of reflection. This ray here reflect and fall on the another ray, Nana. This is beta. Here also it will be beta. Previous diagram same, Nana. Here look here. This angle is normal, Nana. Normal means దీంతో ఎంత యాంగిల్ ఉంటుంది 90 degrees. ఇది ఆల్ఫా పోతే రిమైనింగ్ ఎంత minus alpha. Here also this is normal and according to surface. This angle also 90 minus beta. Here this is the triangle nana. In the mathematics, total triangle angle is 180. 180 means theta plus 90 minus alpha plus 90 minus beta equal to 180 degrees. Now look here. This total triangle, total angle is 180. Theta plus 90 minus alpha plus 90 minus beta equal to 180. 90 plus 90, 180, 180, 180 cancel. Theta minus of alpha plus beta equal to 0. According to this relation, theta equal to alpha plus beta. Okay, theta equal to alpha plus beta. That means here in the question find net deviation. What is the net deviation formula? 360 minus 2 into the alpha plus beta right as theta. What is the final formula for total deviation? Total deviation, net deviation and 360 minus 2 theta. Here theta is angle between two mirrors. That means this is the first mirror, this is the second mirror. Two mirrors angle between two mirrors is theta. Here theta is angle between two mirrors. What is the net deviation formula? 360 minus 2 theta. That means net deviation does not depends upon the angle of incidence and angle of reflection. Only net deviation depends upon the angle between two mirrors. What is the net deviation formula? 360 minus 2 theta. In the formula, theta is called angle between two mirrors. Okay, hold.